dinner on the go. Got a baking grill, half a little tin of beans and a hard-boiled egg. Shove that in between 2 bits of bread, some red sauce, job done. Have that twice.
Good morning. It is going to be one of those days where we're going to have to stop and get the tents out to dry the tents off, because there is a lot of dew on the tents. Nick's still in bed because he's fat and lazy. I'm up. Been for a 7-mile walk this morning. Watched the sun come up. Forgot to record any of it, obviously, which is a shame, but I shall be getting ready to go. In fact, no, we're not. We're going to get up slowly, aren't we, Nick? We're going to have a nice cup of coffee and be all relaxed and chill, because we don't have to rush. It's a short one today, only 210 miles. So I'm going to get sorted, slowly pack, and then naff off. That's me, all packed, ready to go. Nick's not ready to go.
Pretty much.
Nick's a lot slower than I am. He's a lot older than me, a lot stiffer than me. The sun's come out, blue skies everywhere. So all the way along to the west today until we can't get any further. And then turn around, and then we're camping. What's that place we're camping at tonight? Don't know. Somewhere in the middle of Wales.
Dolgar? Dolgar?
Can't remember. But we'll be in the middle of Wales tonight. So only 210 miles. Nice and chill. Easy day, because it is Sunday. Are you on? Sorted. Stones, eh? What a time to be alive. Nice to see it's not died. I was going to go up that. What was what? Oh, I didn't see. Good morning, cows.
what, it's a good job we're doing 50 mile an hour to improve the air quality. They're burning that crap and there's a load of factories. Brilliant. Huge fan of that. Oh, this is big enough to just park pointing uphill. It's a short day today, isn't it? Right. What was yesterday? About 300? Something like that. Yeah. That's a good distance. Scooter on the front at Moto. It's got a scooter on the front of it. That can't be legal, surely. There is no way you're allowed to drive a motorhome around with a scooter on the front of it. Imagine hitting a pedestrian. Oh, we could just drive onto the roundabout, get some wicked pictures in the middle. Oh, size of the curb, I haven't got the ground clearance. What the f is? Oh, drop curb. Imagine explaining that to the coppers. What? Oh shit, hang on. Can you get in there? Yeah, go left here. Right, let's just spin it round so I'm facing uphill. Been a while since we've had a 20s plenty. I think so. See that kid with his head out the window like a dog. That's a nice view. Yeah, I just think, right, oh, let's go to a campsite right by the beach. Big mound of stones, can't see a thing. Oh yeah, it would be, it'd be blowing a gale coming off there, wouldn't it? grass in the middle of the road. We don't know what comes down here then. Say again. Is that what it said? Ah. Right, well, that's as far as we can get. Done hand. So, hold your front brake, pump it, and then on the upstroke, push back. You got it? Yeah, as the forks are coming up, you're pulling back with it. Is that what that little sign said on the left? Ah, right, okay, well, it's time for the picture. We stopped off at St David's. We went as far west as we could to the private road and then had to turn round. So we popped back up now and we're having fish and chips, and then we'll crack on to the campsite where we're staying tonight. Well, most of it's been boring, hasn't it, today? Just motorways and dual carriageways and that. So, but this last bit's been alright. But we'll eat this and then we'll nap off. If there's anywhere that's going to sell a Welsh pen for Ashley, it's got to be a place that's called Window on Wheels. Let's go and have a look. What have I not took off? Well, that's the end of St David's. 4 out of 10. 3 out of 10, alright. Bang average fish and chips, but we got as far west as we could go. Yep, got my phone. Still looked to make sure I had it, like. Come on, look. She's about a foot and a half away from that wall. Come on. You feeling a bit stiff? You can stop more if you want. I mean, I don't mind stopping. Just gonna go. Next bike is getting the big wave. Oh, here comes two of them. Nice. Here's another one. Mate, you can't ignore a big fat wave like that, can you? Just keep going, keep going. Why? Who? Oh, right.
Yeah.
Oh, fucking hell.
Yeah.
Shit. It wasn't fucking like that.
No. What do we do about that?
Hey?
What do I do about that?
It's a new tyre.
When?
Can see if there's anywhere local.
Fucking hell, local to here. I'm not going to get one on a Sunday, am I?
No. I wonder if you can help. We're in desperate need of a rear tyre for a Honda rear car. I think so. You don't know anywhere local that does road bikes, do you? Right, okie doke. Yeah, no worries, mate. We'll have a ring tomorrow. Cheers. David Jones, mate.
I'll see you later. I bet you if I'd have gone to there, it says,
So he's a Honda dealer.
yeah,
Even if he hasn't got one in, he'll probably get one by lunch.
yeah.
It's all part of the story, Nick.
I left the ignition on, didn't I?
what time do we have to be out of this one? Is it like 11 o'clock midday? Because even if we leave all the stuff there, so you haven't got the weight on, and then just ride down, get it done, come back, pick the stuff up and do one. Alright mate, showing off with your unballed tyres. You. Down there. Yeah, caravan. Oh, is it? We'll have a look. I thought that was the first one that you did. Well, we have arrived. Some sheep over there. Hopefully they don't try and eat our tents in the night. Let's have a look at this tyre then, Nick. Okay. So we checked Nick's tyre about 100 miles ago, and then as we were coming through the twisties, hello. Where I overtook that car by the traffic lights. Yeah, I know. Then Nick got pulled over by a couple of bikers to say that his tyre was bad. He's like, yeah, I know it's not too clever. And they're like, nah mate, your cords are showing through. So that's Nick's tyre. So we've found somewhere tomorrow that we can hopefully get a tyre fade, because it's Sunday today. And obviously all the shops are shut. So there's a Honda dealership that's about 20 miles away. So we'll go to the Honda dealer, ring the Honda dealership at 8:30 tomorrow, see if he's got a tyre in, or if he can get a tyre for tomorrow. And then new tyre on, and away we go. We have a runaway sheep.
The dog I expected, I didn't expect the sheep to.
Oh God, the other day there was loads here. There was absolutely loads. They had to come down and
What?
herd them all up. They shouldn't be.
There is a path to the pub. Oh, right. If you wanted to go for a beer.
Easy.
had a while.
Shut off.
Can Nick only have one? No chance.
We come for a pint down the pub. Rung Ashley, said we're going down the pub for a pint. Their first words was, can Nick only have one? I don't think he can, but we'll try. But yeah, still blue skies up there, tents all set up, down the pub, by the river. It's alright. What happened today? Not a lot really, other than the tyre and...
Bang average fish and chips.
Oh yeah, the bang average fish and chips at bang average St David's.
Yeah, 3 out of 10 St David's.
Yeah, 3 out of 10 St David's, we'll be going back. Nick's tyre, and then Nick leaving his ignition on, so then had to jump start the bike. But my bike's going alright for now. So plan is tomorrow, bring the Honda garage, hopefully they'll get a tyre in, and then get right up there 20 miles away, new tyre, and then crack on. If he can't do it till later, then Nick's going to hang around for the tyre and then go straight home, and then I'll crack on my own. But fingers crossed, it's a Honda dealership, so fingers crossed to be able to get a tyre for either the morning or early afternoon, and then we can carry on. Well, that's it. A pint and then dinner later on, and then bed. I've got sausages on the go. Nick's got his spam on the go.
Oh, do you want some sriracha sauce?
Oh yeah. We have some magic sweet sriracha sauce, so we'll get that stuffed on the sausage sandwich with some beans. See all of what Nick's cooking over there.
Well, it's not, is it? I mean,
My sandwich, my sausage beans.
it's a pot noodle
That's it.
and a sauce. It just happens to
Hence why Nick's a lot fatter than I am.